Hello and welcome. Now in this video we are going to start the setup of S2 Member from the dashboard. And we're going to be going through several things, and we want to kind of give you an overview of what those things are going to be. We are going to set up the general settings, and you'll see that here in a minute. We'll go inside of S2 Member and we will be configuring basic settings for you to be able to sell your membership on JVZoo. We will put together registration settings so that your user can be registered when they buy or register when they are signed up. We're also going to put together login settings so that your user will be able to come to your site and log in to get their content whenever they buy something from within your site. We're going to put together your login welcome page, which is basically a group of settings inside of S2 Member. We're also going to put together your membership options page, and this is where people who may or may not have direct access to a certain product or a certain grouping of products, this is where they're going to be sent, where they can sign up in order to get them. Your membership options page will have your buy buttons and everything that you are offering to the customer. We're going to look at restriction options, where you are going to be able to give your buyers certain access to certain content and to be able to restrict them when you don't want them to have access to other kinds of content. So we'll talk about that. And then lastly, we will talk about user management. So if you ever want to add a user to a particular product or to a particular membership, we will be showing you how to do that when we actually get to that part of the setup. So that's an overview of what we'll be discussing in these next few videos. We will see you in the next one where we start the setup inside the dashboard of S2 Member.